Hello everyone, I just thought I'd give you a quick rundown of the ratchet handled screwdrivers that I purchased from Car Boots over the summer. Starting on the right, this little one here is a Stanley Yankee made in Sheffield, England. Comes in just over 6.5 inches. Can you see that? Yankee number 15A. The next one is a Moore and Wright, Britain's tool factory, Sheffield, England. Nearly 7 inches for that one. The next one is just marked foreign on the shaft and a letter S. Britain went through a period where anything made overseas just had to be marked foreign. I think country of origin is quite important as a marking these days, so it's reasonably old, probably 60s. A 4-inch blade and 8 inches altogether. Next one is Turner Australia T116. So this one's a long way from home. Quite remarkable that it's in this country at all. This one is nearly 10 inches. The next one is marked Meritor Elect, made in England. The next one is marked Hollands and Blair Limited. It's S5 1952 with the broad arrow to ministry specification C2287. The next one is the only non-wooden handled one that I got, but it's quite a long one. It has an 8-inch, over 8-inch shaft length, and it comes in over 13 inches altogether. This one is Guy's hand tools, upside down that one. Sorry, it's not very clear. Guy's hand tools, and it's marked a little logo there on the left, worthy of craftsman. Model RL, made in England. The next one, same again, another Guy's, worthy of craftsman, model RL, but this one's wooden handled and it's quite a bit shorter than the other one. And the last one, black handled wood, and it's made in Germany by the unfortunately named Kunz. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's my collection of mostly wooden handled ratchet screwdrivers 2020.